Stumbled at the start line, I've done all that I can do, but I'll try again, I'll try again.
Like always, I forgot to film the whole process because I broke my stand, so guess in the comments what's going on over here, guys. I'll let you guys guess. I'm sure most of you guys already know. Okay, where am I gonna post out my phone? Right here, I guess.
Try again. Stay on the straight and narrow. Meet up at the end. I'll just keep on going over and over. I'll just keep on going till I can't go further. I'll just keep on going. I'll just keep on going.
Well, guys, skip all the politics. Just made it back to the yard. Got this thing back. All good and safe. Let the rebuild begin. It's gonna need a new cab. New cab and a new door, pretty much. The hood's good, the fender or the bumper's good, and then had some suspension damage, ripped off one of the brackets. So yeah, and these Cascadias, you just take it off, put a new one on, kind of like that one, and it's swapped out. And then there's one already here, waiting to get dropped out. Yeah, I barely missed the video. I just got it off this thing. Look at this, Buckland. Yeah, I got it for free. It's gonna be the new office around here. The parts store, shop. It was just on this thing. Look at that, Old Faithful already working like crazy. Getting its money out of it. Turn on the lights! What's up, guys? So we're back at this this old truck beater. Driver called last night, picked up his load, and windshield wiper stopped working. Let's see if you guys can guess why. The splines on the wiper go out. It's an old truck, it's a 97, and this, I believe it's made out of aluminum. and the splines on the motor, where is it? Let me open the hood. Splines on the motor are metal, so it's meant to go out on the weaker side, because if they had both, I don't know, maybe if it was metal it would be better, but I've had this issue on that old truck that I had. Same problem. I had to get new. Where's the spline? Oh, right here. And these are metal, so they're good. That's just the stuff off the other splines. Weaker metal, so I bought a brand new one. Gonna replace it. It's an easy fix. And I mean easy, I mean hook up the washer fluid line and just pop this pin back, slide it in over the other splines, and done. And then I'm gonna also change this windshield wiper reservoir because it's dripping. Well, it was dripping, I don't know. Yeah, it's definitely because we filled it up and it's empty. Just gonna replace this with 2 bolts. And then they have a problem with these freaking caps. They have not fixed the problem yet. Look at this. If you over tighten it, it just comes off like this. This is a fairly new cap. Look at it. I hate these. I had the same problem with the other one. I wonder if you just freaking... I wonder if I just JB weld around on the outside. Because they break in the same spot. I went through like 4 of these. And you don't even tighten them and they still freaking break. It's just a bad design and they keep selling them. And I bought the new one for this reservoir and it's freaking same design. So yeah, let me get this fixed. And okay, where is this? Yeah, it's an easy fix. All right, guys, maybe I'll set up there's the governor I changed. Set up the mount. What's up, guys? We're out here driving. Got a little fun video it's gonna be today for you guys, and you have to. I don't know which. I don't think it's gonna be in this week's release. It's probably gonna be for next week. But I'll throw in a little teasers in there for you guys. And the reason why I'm making this video, boom, I got a new stand. Because the other piece of crap that I bought, it was like $9.99. It was just crap. It breaks right. I think I made a video before. It breaks right here, a little nudge, and it breaks off. So this one's solid. I love this thing, and it's all, I think it's stainless steel, nice solid built and everything. And it's a little bit taller, bigger, and these are like way better, much more solid. And it was only like $14.99 on Amazon. As much as I hate Amazon because it's taking all my money away, but it's one of those. This right here is one of those things. Like, man, that was $14 well spent. Because the other one was crap, and it also comes with a cell phone mount as well, so you can mount the cell phone. Because that's what usually I record my videos on the cell phone. It's got a really amazing camera. This is my other camera that I got. It also shoots 4K. It's a wide angle. I like it. It's just that I have to always transfer the videos onto the laptop. That's what I kind of hate. But other than that, I've had this camera in April. It's gonna be 3 years. I bought it for my honeymoon because I went snorkeling and diving and everything. So it comes with I really like this camera. Like, I don't know. I'm not about all that hype stuff, like, you know, iPhones, everybody's hyping the iPhones up, so I'm not really into the GoPros because everybody's hyping them up. I love this thing, and the reason why I got this thing, I had a similar Contour Plus 2, I think, or something. It was a same kind of similar design, and I've done a lot of videos with that thing. I think it only had like 1080, I think, quality, but this is talking about like 7-8 years ago, so I don't think there was anything even better. But yeah, this thing's got 4K. You can do videos, you can do, oh, got a radar. Where's he at? Yeah, so I love this. Man, this thing just so, when I got the box, opened up the box was heavy. I'm like, man, what the heck's in there, metal? So this thing was really solid. Yeah, I highly recommend this thing. If I don't forget, I don't know, it's like you can, family photos or whatever, you can just get a stand, you know, you don't have to really do YouTube or whatever. Just like a lot of stuff I do, I just need a stand to put. You see them a couple of my videos, and like the phone keeps falling and blah blah blah. This thing's, you know, you just hold it like this and the phone won't go anywhere. So see, catch you guys later. Of course, guys, I didn't record dropping off the other truck that we picked up, but we just dropped it off at the shop. Just gonna get some minor stuff done, and then picking up another one tomorrow. Well, was about to do it. So guys, I told you it's gonna be a little surprise in the next video. We just got another one. This one's got a blown motor. So the previous one needs a cab. Now we got a cab. So yeah. Or just drop a motor in here and a tranny. It'll be good. But no, the cab is pretty nice. What is this? What is this? Mud fob's there. So guys, I've been a little bit cheating on you guys, but I've been working on the KeNwOrTh last yesterday a little bit, trying to button up the interior and I'm actually redoing a couple of the floor pieces that, because I didn't have it fully in, it was all loose, so every time I was walking in on it, it broke off like all these tabs and some places. So finally I'm buttoning it up. I had to pack a box of this stuff left, so I got pretty much the front done. Let me turn off the music so I don't get in trouble. So yeah, I got the front done, got the seats in. The front was all kind of jacked up, so I redid a couple of the panels. Yeah, now I got the new seat that I bought. I don't know why, but this one doesn't say. My old one says Legacy Low. This one isn't, or this one is low, but it doesn't say it. And then that's the old one. So I'm gonna be rocking 2 Legacies. Yeah, so I'm finishing up the back floor over there and call it good. See if I can set it up. I gotta trim a couple of pieces. This tool, I highly recommend everyone to get. And already this stuff is so sensitive. I was just trying to test fitting it. Look at this. Already broke off a piece right here. Just test fitting. And I gotta cut off like a 1/4 inch to get this to just sit nice and flat in there. That's what I did right here. I gotta do this long piece. And this tool is amazing. I just bought it yesterday just for this, so I can touch it up. Oh, you can turn it up. I think it cuts like butter. I think the Dremel, or not the Dremel, the Sawzall that I used, I think it's pretty straight. It's gonna be another panel that goes right here. It's pretty straight. I guess I should. I'm not a hardwood floor guy. Should have probably made a line or something on it, but it's gonna get covered anyways. There's gonna be another piece like that. So. What's up, guys? So it's been working your KeNwOrTh week. So what I'm doing right now is I gotta replace these grill sides because it looks like they either hit something and they have dents in them right there, and the other one. So I'm pretty much almost got them off. Oh, there's bolts on the inside too. So yeah, I gotta take him off, replace him, and I gotta hold him with vice grips on the inside because I don't got anybody to help me to hold the nuts, bolts on the outside and the nuts on the inside. So I gotta use vice grips. So I got those off. I gotta take all these off, and then I'm also replacing the lower one because it drops a little bit lower. Fills in that hole gap that's there. Oh, there's not that many on this side. Oh, the special little rivets. And then also I gotta replace this mesh because like I said, they probably hit something, this bug mesh. So I pretty much have to tear this whole grill apart. So that's my mission right now. I'm probably gonna have to open and close the hood a couple times. And then I'm fighting the rain. This is the second time I already came out. Just got the tools out, it started raining. So now I got the tools out. I got like 10 bolts off and it's raining again. Fall in Washington State. So I gotta hide the tools again. It's raining.